Bless you. But seriously, don't try to unbless that sneeze. We've all been there. You're in a quiet room, a sneeze is coming, and you clamp your nose shut, hoping to keep things classy. Bad idea. Sneezing is your body's way of shooting out irritants and germs at speeds up to 100 miles per hour. When you block that force, all that pressure has to go somewhere, and it's not pretty. Medical experts warn that holding in a sneeze can cause injuries like ruptured eardrums, burst blood vessels in your eyes, or even damage to your throat. In rare cases, it can actually cause air to leak into your chest, which is as uncomfortable as it sounds. So next time, let it out. Just cover your nose and mouth with your elbow to keep things sanitary. Remember, sneezing is your body doing its job. Don't mess with it. Gesundheit.